What's up guys, V here. So today we're gonna go ahead and install this diff bracket on my convertible G37. This is a 2011 G37 convertible, and unfortunately I had one of my diff mounts come out, so I just replaced it with the Z1 mount. And basically, just to reinforce it some more, I'm gonna go ahead and add this just to make it a little more solid. So the 370Z and the G37 is going to be the same process, except the coupes I don't believe have these bars, this bracket here. So the convertible does, the coupe doesn't, the 370Z does. So first thing we're going to do is loosen these bolts and these three, and we're going to take them completely out. Alright, those are all out. Now we're gonna have to unbolt this bar on the other side, actually on both sides. So hopefully you can see that right there, and then that's the passenger side, and then the same thing on the driver's side. Alright, now that we got those all loose, we can take these off, put them down. One of them already fell down, so we're good. And now on the diff itself, you're going to need to take a 14 and you're going to break these loose. I'm using a long extension just so I can sit behind the camera, but if you can fit it without it, you'll be fine. So those are loose. Take them all the way out, and now the diff bracket is ready to go up, and basically these two holes are going to line up with the holes on the diff, and this plate is going to go sit flush on the subframe right here between these two holes. Use the included bolts and washers as the new bolts for the diff. So here's that bracket, just for perspective. I'm gonna grab the bolt kind of between my fingers like this, go ahead and stick it right in here, and it's gonna go down into the hole that's inside the subframe. And then you have to, I'm trying to do this while still showing you, line up the hole, and there you go. Now go ahead and take your nut, and it would help to have two hands, but I'm holding this phone with this hand, so bear with me. Go ahead and tighten these down. You got that one there, and then you're gonna go ahead and tighten everything down. Torque this one down, anything that you can torque down. I'll have the torque specs down in the description. And then this one, there's no way to torque it unless you have a, I don't know, I'm just gonna wing that one. And then I don't know what these should be torqued to, but if I find torque specs, I'll have them down in the description.
I don't know where you're driving. Yesterday I must have drove around whole lot. And I kept making the wrong turn, see? Because I live a very sheltered life.
Now we're gonna go ahead and button everything up, put everything back together. With these, what I recommend is pull them further out, set them on the exhaust, put these first, loosely tighten these first, and then line these up, stick these in. I lubed them up just because they were pretty rusted up and stuff. And now we're gonna go ahead and go do the ones on each side, the driver and passenger side. We're gonna lube those up as well and tighten everything up over there, and then we'll come back here, adjust everything, tighten it all up. I'm gonna tighten these two first and then these three last. Once that's done, then you're all done. If you have a G37 coupe without these, then I guess you have nothing really put back on, so you're good to go. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Peace.